I think I'm gonna die today. I booked the cheapest Ang Thong National Park tour. Although this was the cheapest Ang Thong National Park tour, I think it's worth it.
Ang Thong National Marine Park is a collection of 42 islands in the Gulf of Thailand, and I can confirm that it is one of the best day trips you can take from Koh Samui. Out of the 42 islands, we went to 2 of them, and this is how it went.
Swadika, 2 people?
2 people 600 baht
600.
ขอ500ที่บ้าน
Akaksha is going to die today. There is some breakfast available.
The tour included some light breakfast, which included some bananas, croissant, tea, coffee, which was really great. While we were having our breakfast, we were also given safety instructions, and then it was time to go. But since it was the cheapest tour, we actually went on a big boat with a big group of people. The boat ride to Ang Thong Marine Park lasts for about 1.5 to 2 hours, and that is why I took a nice nap.
First island we are stopping is Mako, which means Mother Island. So the people who are kayaking are getting off here and they are going on kayaks to the other beach. And since I got the cheapest tour, we are not kayaking. And by the way, you cannot swim here because there are reefs, coral reefs. If you see that red flag, that's like all the reef area. You can't step on it, you can't swim there. It's prohibited. You can only kayak and obviously not hurt the reefs. It's a marine park, so there's a lot of marine life here. I'm super excited to see something. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. All of these people are left who are not kayaking. It's me. Now it's our turn to get off the boat, and we're taking a long tail boat to further down to another beach. And we're off the boat. This is where you get mobile phone signal. This is the beach, and we're going up there on the stairs.
And finally, after all of that work, we reached the first island, which is Koh Meko, and this is where Emerald Lagoon is. There is a little shop here to buy some snacks and some toilets, but I don't know how well they are maintained because I didn't use them. You cannot really swim on this beach because it's a protected area, but you can obviously chill there if you don't want to do the hike.
So someone said it's 20 minutes up and down, but it's 20 minutes of stairs. Another set of stairs. And that's Emerald Lagoon. This is the first viewpoint. You can actually go down there and get a closer look, but I think this is nice. Okay, this is the topmost viewpoint, and these are the number of people here. And that's the Emerald Lagoon, and on that side is the ocean, which looks amazing. There's a queue to take photos, but for this view I would stand in the queue. It's beautiful. Back on the beach. Took us like 5 minutes to come down, and look at how many people are here now, and more people coming down. So it just got like crazy busy. Okay, time for some lunch. That's my lunch view. It's masaman curry, rice, fruit, spring roll, and some veggies. And we are heading off to the next spot, which is that beach, and we're probably gonna go up to the top. And this is our next stop for the day. So in this beach, you can swim, snorkel, rent a kayak, go kayaking, go hiking. There are lots of things you can do here. And you know what I'll be doing? We'll be hiking. I have my hiking shoes on, and we're gonna do that. So this is a lot more. There's like a first aid station, restrooms, restaurant. Like a lot more things here. There are washrooms, then there's a restaurant, a visitor center, a camping site, a medical center as well. So I think you could stay here as well. I'm not sure, but I did see like some people coming in to stay the night. More facilities here, viewpoint, nature trail, and then okay, there's a monkey. Let's go and find it. Oh wow! Oh, there are 2 monkeys. Oh my god!
This island is called Koh and it is home to dusky langur monkeys. And you'll find them all around the island, and I think they're used to humans, so they just come out and sit there.
This is Watalap, which translates to sleeping cow. And yeah, that's the monkeys. I mean, they won't obviously come out if you're standing like that. You have no idea how many people are here. Like, I think another boat came up. There's so many people here. I mean, this was supposed to be a hidden gem, but well, social media times, nothing's a hidden gem anymore. Let's do it. I absolutely hate stairs. My heart is beating so fast. I can't tell you. And these stairs are like big, and I have small legs, so to like pull myself up. This is the third resting point. Second resting point, and that's the view. This hike is completely inclined. This is the third viewpoint. There's like just a resting spot. No views here. If you want, you can skip it. It's hard, man. Very, very hard.
This is a short trail. It's just 500 meters uphill with 4 viewpoints at every 100 meters and then 2 more viewpoints at every 50 meters. But it is a steep climb and you definitely need a lot of energy to get here. I did see a lot of people doing this in slides and crocs and water shoes. Please don't do that to yourself. Your feet will have so many blisters. It's no joke. Bring plenty of water, even some snacks if you like. And if you're doing this, just brace for the worst kind of incline.
I almost killed myself, but we're here. Oh, there's a resting point. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Okay, 50 more meters. It's right there. Let's do it. Let's do it. We can do it. We have come so far. We will go to the top. Oh my god, look at that. This is one of my top views in history of all my hikes. I mean, look at that. How amazing does that look?
The hike up is surely a very tough one, but it is doable. You will take a lot of breaks, keep some time. We had about 2 hours here.
One more destination unlocked.
If you don't stop, you go straight up in 20 minutes. But because I was stopping, it took me about 40 minutes to get there. But it took me half the time to get down. And because it is such a challenging hike, a lot of people don't do it. So when we got up there, it was way less crowded than Emerald Lagoon. And if you are planning to do this hike and you are not really keen on doing Emerald Lagoon, I would say skip it because this view is far more worth than the Emerald Lagoon one. And you also have less people here. So this one was one of my favorite places in Thailand and such a worthwhile tour considering it was really cheap. And want to know how much I paid for it? I got it from GetYourGuide and paid only 42 Canadian dollars. I have linked the tour up here and it is also in the description box below. So if you want to go for it, do it.
We are back at the base. No one was joking when they said it's exhausting, but it's so steep. You know, like when I was walking down, I was like, it's fine. But now that I'm sitting, my legs have given up. Like, I can't walk anymore. I am going for a massage after I go back to Koh Samui. Well, although this was the cheapest Ang Thong National Park tour, it was a lot of fun. It included hotel pickup, drop off, lunch, all the excursions that we did. I mean, you could also go snorkeling. Snorkel gear is free to use. If you just want to do kayaking, you pay extra. But I wanted to see how the cheapest one is, so I think it's worth it. And
every tour company has 2 kinds of tours. One is a speedboat tour and one is a big boat tour. The speedboat is more expensive while the bigger boat is less expensive because it has more people.
I did not want to do the speedboat tour because I'm a little afraid of the ocean and speedboat like jumps a lot. So I was like, fuck it, I'll just take the bigger boat. Even if it rocks, it's gonna be like smooth rocking. It's fine. I can't handle speedboats. So if you're afraid, and if you're thinking should you do speedboat or the big catamaran boat, do the catamaran. It's fine. I mean, you go to the same islands, you do the same things, it's the same experience altogether. It's just like the size of the boat and the number of people. We did see those speedboats are right there, so same people come to the same place, just in a smaller boat. So unless it's a different itinerary, don't waste your time or money. This was one of the best day tours I did and so worth it. Even though it was the cheapest tour, I did not feel like there was any lack of service or that I was missing out on anything. Again, I am mentioning that the tour is linked in the description box and also over here, so do definitely check it out. I have also made a full travel guide about Koh Samui, so if you want to go there and see what to do, how to travel Koh Samui, you should watch this video which I uploaded recently. And if you like this one, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel because I have a lot more videos coming up about Thailand and my next destination, which is Laos. And I'll see you next time with another video. Bye bye.